Questions. Moving towards the next question. Question number 1 or 2. Miss Adha Krishna may ask.
Honorable Speaker Madam, I have a 3 points. Point A, the latest position of food grains to receive in the country. Point B, whether keeping the view in the present drought situation, government have a adequate stock of the food grains to receive in the country. Point C, if no, the measure proposed to be taken by the government to deal with the situation.
Honorable Minister for Food Civil Supplies.
Honorable Speaker Madam, the points are A, B, C. Madam, come to point C. The total stock of food country is food. Madam, the points are A, B, C. Madam, come to point 3. The total stock of food 1st January 1948 is 14.14 million tons, madam. Madam, come to point B and C. The stocks available to adequate to meet the present requirement of public distribution system. And there is also regular replacement of procurement operation. Madam, the government is also taking the open option to import the food grains and consider necessary.
Miss Adha Krishna, is there any other supplementary questions? Please.
It is a fact, but the received the food grains declined the 23 million tons to 15 million tons during month July 1987. If so, what are the stock of fulfill deficit food? Is there any target for fixed rice and wheat in the Rabi season?
Honorable Minister, please.
Honorable Speaker, Madam, as for high the food grains available, consider that procurement buffer stock policy is 21.1 million tons and again is 14.14 million tons are food grains available in buffer stock and the shortfall is only 6 million tons, madam. I hope this will be offset in the next Rabi season and going on Kharif season. As for high the considered the storage capacity, there is a policy that we are constructing additional storage capacity and whatever the requirement of food grain is stored in different places. If you want to know the present requirement, I will submit to the honorable member, and this is the long list that's situated in different states.
The round is open for the supplementary questions. Is there any other more supplementary questions? Moving towards the next question. Question number 1 or 3. Miss Hania Paul may ask.
Honorable Speaker Madam, to the Minister of Tourism, we wish to state the foreigners exchange earners from the tourists during the last 3 years and year-wise, madam, and the names of 5 countries. The names of 5 countries top from the point of view of Indian arrival, madam.
Ministry for Tourism.
Madam, the point A, the estimated foreign exchange earnings from tourism